Market's up 18. Do we have any news items today? It doesn't look like it. Wait, bank holiday? Oh, that's in. Wait, bank holiday? I mean, I understand it's Veterans Day, but I guess the market's still open. Not sure what to expect. But happy Veterans Day, everybody. My dad was in the military for over 30 plus years. He was a drill sergeant for 28 years, served in Vietnam. So I get it, man. I grew up on the Army base. My entire young childhood, I moved around from Army base to Army base. Fort Jackson, Fort Benning. Those are the main two that I remember. All right, we got again. We're letting this candle shake out. Let's make some good decisions, right? Trade well. Obviously, we want to make money for sure. We can't control that. We can just control how we trade. So get out your notes and let's get ready to rock. We've been doing super well. Super well. All right, this candle closes in another minute. We'll go from there. If you have any questions, type them in our private WebEx, our chat group, and that's what we got. All right, ticks are positive 647. VIX opened up down. So I am going to go ahead and start marking some levels. 42. Let's mark 42. Just be consistent, right? Nobody has a crystal ball. Can't control what happens, but we can control what we do. Once we're in a trade, we're focusing on managing the trade properly. Whoa, look at that sellout right there. I'm going to mark this level right here. Let's see here. Boom. Looks like that's... All right. So I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Let's make it a flat 42. Okay. So let's get ready to rock. Remember, we got 4 strategies. 4 strategies. And I'll tell you everything that I'm doing, constantly tell you what I'm doing. But if you have any questions on why I am doing it, type it in the group. So I'm looking for a break right now through the 45 area to go long with the advanced signal. That's what I'm looking for. I don't trust being down here. You also got the VWAP. We'll go from there. It feels like every weekend I feel like I gain about 5 to 10 pounds during the damn weekend. I think I usually feels like I spend all week working out just to lose the damn weight that I gained on Saturday and Sunday. It's crazy. Maybe I'll feel like that too, man. It's crazy. All right. Sellers try to push it down a little bit. Follow the plan, my friends. Follow the plan. And oh, yes, I'm pretty sure during some of these middle discussions, I'll be talking about crypto because it's looking like so good. Woo! What's up, Rafa? What's up, guys? For those of you that got into crypto, it's you're about to be, well, you're already getting rewarded. 2025, you won't even know what's happening. That's all I got to say about that. All right, we're breaking to the bottom. I'm going to stay away from that. I don't trust this break to the downside. Market's up 16. Again, I don't know what to expect today. You know, bank holiday said. Either way, it doesn't matter. We trade what is. We see our signal. We take it, regardless. We're currently building our aggressive trading strategy. We're 28 trades into it. We're going to go over the results when we get 50. All right. And I had the last trade on the 6th. I know I didn't trade Friday, which was 8. Did we trade on the 7th? Do y'all remember if we put a trade in on the 7th? I honestly don't remember. I didn't put it in my journal, but maybe I forgot, or maybe we just didn't do it. I don't know. That would have been on Thursday. Maybe we didn't take a trade. I don't know. Rob is typing stuff in our group. For those of you in the cash schedule, banks are closed today, so your cash winnings from Friday will not be available until tomorrow. Thanks for sharing that, brother. Let me know, did we take a trade on Thursday? I don't remember. Maybe
I don't think we did.
Okay, maybe that's it, because I normally document. I'm looking at my journal, and I'm like, why didn't document? Okay, so I'm going to trust.
I think you went into the swing trading and said we had a great day because we didn't take any trades or lose any money. So if I remember right.
You know what? That sounds good enough to me, because normally I'm pretty good at documenting my results. And if I didn't document it, that means we probably... And then Friday, I didn't day trade. I was going to, but like I said, my kid had a school function, and so I took the Friday off day trading and came back. What's going on, Malik? What's up with them? What's happening?
Good morning. Good morning.
All right. All right. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. All right. I'm looking for a pop up through 45 to go long. So that's what I'm aiming for right now. Break up through 45 to go long the 601s. The 601s is where I'm after. Okay. Bam. Getting everything set up on my screen. Remember, right now, the advanced. If you don't know the advanced, the entire course in the members area is on the advanced. Like, tons of videos. I think everybody needs to learn it, because it's really going to teach you the how to read the candlesticks and the ticks and all that stuff. Very important. All the signals. Number one, our setups. There's 4 setups when it comes to the advanced. 4. They're all awesome. So, all right. And again, we've been doing so good because we're focusing on being consistent, right? It's all about having a set of rules and then just being consistent. Don't stop worrying about winning and losing. Just focus on being consistent. And as long as your trading plan has a positive expectancy, that's it. You're going to make money. Period. Just be patient, right? We might end up starting off with a trap down here. So I'm watching this area. We tried to break short. They're fighting back. Could be a trap right off the bat to the downside. It's got 15 more seconds in this candle. If that's the case, starts off with a seller's trying to take it down early. Ooh, bam. Trap to the downside. Got them. They went short. Got them. That's what this S&P does, right? Traps you, fakes you out all the time. All right, I'm still looking to take this pop to the upside. If we can get a signal. I like how the ticks are picking up. I'm looking at the advanced. The advanced to the upside. And again, we got our private group. I'm constantly looking at it. If y'all got any questions, type it in. But I'm going to be typing in our WebEx right now. Again, we got to not think. We got to take our brain out of the equation. In order to do this successfully, you got to take the brain out of the equation. It can play tricks on you, right? Lots of tricks. Day trading is nothing more than having your plan and executing it to perfection, no matter what. You don't think, oh, I'm not going to take this trade because I think this. Or it's going to... No. You get the signal, you take the trade, that's it. The only time you don't take the trade is if it doesn't meet your criteria for whatever reason. I'm looking to take a pop to the upside, and that's it. With my advanced signal. Setup number 1. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm going to get out quick. Okay. Oops. Oops. There you go. That's a big old candle. Whipping people around right now. Again, I don't know what to expect today, but it is what it is, right? The candle's got 5 seconds, and then now we're going to get ready to go here. All right. I'm looking to go short. Wow, this is moving fast. Okay. All right, there we go, guys. Whew, shit. Things moving quick. Bam, all right. Let me kind of get where I can see stuff. Damn it, look at the short. Copy. Man, this is happening so fast. All right. Looking to go short. No, Max. Nope. Hang on, just keep watching here. Well, I'm reading information. This is tricky, guys. This is tricky. Okay, so damn. I'm going to be looking to go short on an advanced inch. God, this is interesting. If you want to do the aggressive, go for it here pretty soon. This is tricky. What I might do is, yeah, I can't do them both. It's one or the other. One or the other, man. I am looking to go back off. So right now, I'm not liking what I'm seeing as far as my advance, so I'm going to have to shift focus to my aggressive, okay? And I'm only going to be shooting for like 10 points. Wow, things are pumping quick. This is tough. All right. Aggressive, okay? Ticks are down. Damn. So if you're looking to do the advance, that's off the table. Right now, back off. Back off. Again, y'all got to be looking at the same things I'm looking at, okay? I can only call out so much. Y'all got to decide. I'm constantly shuffling between the advanced and the aggressive. Right now, a little bit tricky. So I'm trying to focus, talk. What's going on, Marky Mark? Bam, look at that, guys. Market. Market.
Good morning, Jeff. Nothing yet, I guess, huh?
Nothing yet, brother. We're looking, though. It's really close. Nothing yet, though. All right, y'all. Bam, right there. 34. It's a minor key level. Let's go ahead and erase this because the software draws it for us. I don't like to have all these lines. All right, so we're still watching, okay? Just still watching. We have a nice fake out to the bottom. Nice fake out to the bottom. So far, we had one trap, 2 fake outs. A lot of picking people apart right this second. I'm not going to go short. I will not go short. That's me. You do what you got to do. Follow your plan. That's all we can do. Just be consistent. I'm not going short right this second based on the information I have. If you go short on your own. On your own, man. Look at that. Buyer stepping in. See, that's why I didn't want to go short. That's exactly why I did not want to go short. See, great. There's shark in the water, right? Shark's on the right side of the boat. We're not going to jump over the boat on that side. Look at that. If you went short right now, you're regretting that decision. The pain is kicking in because you thought it was going to go to the downside. Well, guess what? We don't think. We trade based on information. That's the only way to day trade. Because with the day trading, the emotions are nuts. And if you're not a very mechanical robot on the day trading, it's going to be difficult. Again, if you have any questions, type them in. Our WebEx, we're good. You know, strategies, rules. Pretty undecided. We've been doing super good too, y'all. Super good. S&P's up 11. NASDAQ went negative. So not a lot happening right now. And again, don't know what to expect today. But I want you to mark this level here. $32.50. We got us a fake out of a fake out, right? Information. All we're doing is building our key levels. Know your levels. Know how to draw them. Luckily, the software draws the purple ones, but it will not draw the blue ones. You got to know how to do that. I got a whole video lesson on that. It's very important. Those key levels are golden. All right. Getting close, man, to just back off. You know, I'll tell you everything I'm doing. Just watching. All right. Day trading is just all about, again, having some strategies and being able to discipline yourself to follow those strategies. We got four strategies. All right? Wait. Advanced, basic, scalp, aggressive. You have four. And the advanced has four setups within it. So it's moving pieces. All right. Just going to mark some stuff up down here. I'll tell you if I'm going to go short or not. So, again, y'all follow y'all's plan.
Which options do you have your eye on, Jeff? We haven't got to that point yet.
Yeah, I got that point. The 98th.
Okay.
Yep. The 98th, brother. And remember, I'm looking for the advanced. So that's what's in the course, pretty much. So that's the exact one that right this second I'm looking for, which I'm not looking for too much. Y'all know exactly kind of my plan. Looking for, you know, up that 10 points. It's all. I don't do runners on the advanced. Takes her sinking a little bit. And again, that's just maybe just weak today. It might just drift to the downside, you know. Buyers might still be, like Charles says, on vacation, right? I'm not sure if Charles is on vacation yet. He said he's going to France. I don't know if you. All right. All right. Let's see what happens here. That noise says the short trade triggered, but that doesn't mean I'm in that trade. That's just what it does. So here we go. I'm going to be looking to go short. Whoa, you little freak. So that's what I'm looking right now to go short. Follow the advanced entry rule if you're after that. So that's what I want to do. Again, if you're trading the aggressive, focus on the rules. If you're trading the advanced, focus on the rules. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to back off right this second. I'm going to type in our group. So I will not be taking that trade yet. Okay, I'm going to type in our group right now. Okay. Usually when I see something I don't like, it usually saves my butt. And I typed in the group right now what I didn't like. Like Charles says, sometimes you just got to have a feel. But it is in my rule why I didn't take that trade. And I typed it in. Exactly the reason. And look at it go back up. Thank goodness for years and years worth of reading this crap. Years and years of studying this S&P 500. Thank goodness for that. Mark this level. Oh, not that. Hang on. Not that. Not that. I think there you go. Oh, damn it. 30.25. There we go. Beautiful fake out, right? Beautiful fake out to the bottom. Bare bones. Yep. You got it. Not yet. We got us a fake out, right? Information. We call it, there's a shark in the water on the right side of the boat. You do with that information what you must. But my rules say I don't want to get bit. Again, remember what I said a minute ago. I didn't like it. I told you I'm backing off. And I said, usually when I don't like it, it's for a good reason. That wick, it's a hammer, a bullish pin bar. It's a good reason not to go short. Yet, doesn't mean we won't go short. It just means yet. We got plenty of time. Everything's on the table. Market's at 9. Man, look at that, dude. You might get that beautiful morning star candle pattern. Well, not if it keeps going up, but look at that. Give yourself an amen, my friends, for staying out of that. Thank God for the entry signal telling us that this was the probability. People ask me all the time, man, how in the heck do you spot that? Well, it's years and years of looking for the same stuff. That's how. I got this ES figured out like to a T. I don't need anything, any gimmicks or nothing. Super simple to read when you're reading the right information. A lot of people, they try to figure it out, but they're reading the wrong information. Not a single one of y'all should have got hurt. Back in the days, that would have been an easy loss for me. I would have went short, anticipating the move down, and I would have already got hurt. I would have been getting hurt like constantly. We've lost no money. We've taken no trade, and that's good because right now it's just chopping people apart. And again, one of the reasons why I consistently talk out loud, number one, I'm trying to keep myself under control. Two, I'm trying to keep you from overtrading, right? Whenever you're quiet and there's nothing going on, that's when your brain starts playing tricks. But if I'm talking and telling you no, 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 that means no.
Hey, Jeff.
What's up, brother?
I hate to even guess how many millions of dollars have been lost in silence.
I've given us several. I'll tell you what, Mark. I've donated a lot to that play, the silent killer. Right? You're in your
the actual horror of that noisy silence.
Trust me, I'm with you. And again, that's one of the reasons why I'm constantly talking, y'all. Because if we're in silence, you might, out of boredom and just honestly your mind racing, start to try to see things that aren't really there. I get it. That's why trading is so difficult.
Next question.
Yeah.
How many millions have been lost out of boredom? Right?
Shit, billions probably. Shit. Again, boredom is the killer. To me, that's the hardest part of day trading because most people are day trading, by themselves, right? They're staring in the screen. There's nobody around. And their mind is just going crazy, dude. That is, to me, the hardest thing about, like, when I was losing just tremendous amounts of money. I wasn't even teaching day trading because why was I going to teach day trading when I was sucked at it? And I would be trying to day trade. I didn't even know what I was doing, and I was quiet. Oh my God, dude, it was bad. It was bad. That's hard. I mean, it can be hard. Once you master your mind, right? Once you master your mind, day trading's fine. It's just mastering your mind can be difficult. I think I'm going to do a video later on about master the market, motivation for new day traders. I think I'm going to do it. It's going to go, we'll see. But anyway, like it's tricky. So again, I'm just talking. Trust me, I won't do anything without letting you know. So if I'm just chilling and talking, that means don't do shit. All right? Ticks are down. There's nothing right now. There's no information that tells us this market is ready to pop. Nothing is telling us that. All I know is on the right, there's been so many sharks. If you jump off in the right, you're instantly going to get destroyed by a great white. Instantly. But we'll see. Doesn't mean that won't change in a blink of an eye. And when it does, we're going to be there. Don't worry, we're going to be there. All right. Got to get out of that zone, right? At 37, now down to 29. That's kind of a danger zone. Really tricky right now. Well, no, it's not the word. It's not tricky at all. It's super easy. It's just really, this is where your patience is really tested. If you are new or you're struggling, this is where your patience has to come into play. Trade the same way every day. Not a single person should have taken any loss. And again, I'm just talking about my rules. You follow your rules. Woo! Damn. What's good with all this stuff? All right. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and start drawing this box right here, okay? Yellow box. That's our no trade zone, right? No fly zone, no trade zone. Not allowed to trade in that area. Always remember, we're momentum traders. Hence the word momentum. If there is no momentum, there's no trade. What's good? Oh, your girlfriend's listening? That's Justin. She's still trying to get approved for options. Yeah. It's been so long since I got approved for options. I'm trying to think. Shit. When I got approved, it was 2000 and I think I got approved in 2008. Yep. 2008. So I don't even remember. But get approved. We love option trading. As soon as we get done here, we're going to be option trading in the university, right? I love it. I've been trading options for 17 years and 9 months. 17 years and 9 months. I've been day trading for a little bit over 5 years. So I'm not going to say I'm better at options because I really love this, but I love option swing trading. Love it. And look at, again, guys, Rafa's typing in stuff constantly. Read what he's typing in. There's powerful information what Rafa's typing in. Right? And validation signals. What's happening at these key levels? Momentum. So I get it. So hopefully she gets approved on the options. But we kill it. This year right now, my option trading, I'm sitting at 92 point, let me see what 92.3. That's my win ratio so far for this year for options. And the only reason I even went down, I was 94, was I've been taking a couple low probability trades. And those low probability trades I've actually lost. But it's all right. Still over 90% win ratio for the year. Options. 90. It's the best year I've ever had from a percentage standpoint. Best year ever. We'll never lose. I tell people all the time, once you get a system that's profitable, and you understand it and you can discipline, you should never have a losing year again, ever. The methodology that we talk about every day in options, if you follow it, you'll never have a losing year again. Ever. I promise you that. Not a losing trade. You'll have a losing trade. You'll have a losing week. You'll have a couple losing months, but you'll never have a losing year again. I guarantee you that. All right. So anyway, look again. Rafa's popping in, right? We're momentum traders. Signals are getting validating everywhere, right? There's weakness all over the place. So here's what you got to do right this second. It's 9:30. It's a central time. The market opened up at 8:30. If you're still inside, again, I'll give this to you. Right? You guys know in the course, but I'll give it to you, on the member here. If you're still inside this area, 1 hour into the session, you need to do this, my friends. You need to take this box right here, activate it, and you need to draw it all the way up. Bam. You are not allowed to trade. So between 45, 25, and 29, that's a big range, I know. nothing good happens. Nothing good happens. That's where you're going to get destroyed. We call it the casino floor, right? You're in Vegas, dealers whooping everybody. You watch, you walk by, you see everybody losing. The dealer's just tearing them up. Do you sit at that table and play? Heck no. What's up, Andy?
Good morning.
What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up? We have taken no trades on this lack of momentum morning. None. Really difficult, but no trades. And look what Rafa said. Rafa typed in the chat perfectly. When we move, we're going to see it. No FOMO. And Rafa will tell you, he has struggled with that, right? At least throughout, probably not now, but he struggled through that, just like me. I know I did. That's the key. Don't FOMO. You know what to do. I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to be looking to do. I'd be looking to take now. Here you go. Check it out. Here's what I would do. On the advanced, setup number 2 to the upside or setup number 2 to the downside. Let me repeat. There's four setups in the advanced strategy. 1 through 4. 1 is off the table based on the information. 2 through 4, trust me. I've tested this sumbitch out for 5+ years. 2 through 4. Period. Now, on the aggressive, hey, that's still on the table. That's still on the table, okay? That's a pure power play based on institutional movement, right? The aggressive is based on institutional movement or what we see is about to happen. It's called aggressive because we are trying to be a little bit ahead, right? But you'll see it. When it happens, you'll see it. Y'all know, inside here in this university, I don't ever change. It's the same with options. I don't ever change. I will do the same thing every single day. And that's the way that you have to be. Whatever your strategy is, you've got to trade it the same. You need to write it down on paper, and you need to duplicate what happens. So here's what I'm going to do. Because I don't want to just kind of... So we're going to go into a little Q&A session. Okay? We're going to go into a little Q&A section, talk a little bit more. After that, we'll analyze it a little bit, see if there's anything, and then we're going to get into our option swing trading, right? Trying to see if we can take advantage of what's about to happen in the stock market. Justin, thanks for popping in the members area. As always, if you want to join us in the live coaching, right? In this WebEx, in the live coaching, it's in the description. And again, I don't know how well you are at option trading, but there's always information on the Options Elite course in the description. And I'm not joking. If you do take that, that'll be the best option course you've ever taken in your life. And if you have the coaching and the options course, you can be in here all day, every day with us, banging it out. You can always email me if you have information. All right, I'm going to stop broadcasting here on YouTube, and we're going to stay inside the members area. You'll have a great day, Justin, and happy trading.